Colleen and Calvin. Don't eat the microphone. Are you sleepy? You ready to go sleepy night-night? Oh, he's so tired. He gonna go sleepy night-night. We're gonna do an unboxing. This little box. Feelook Art reached out to me again and asked if I would do an unboxing. And I said yes. So Calvin and I are going to unbox this. I already opened this part of the box. No, leave the microphone alone. I already opened this part earlier today, so I'm just going to open the box. It's a smaller one. I purposely picked a smaller one because I'm working on blush Orchid Glass. It is, because that one that is 68 by 87 centimeters. So I got this one smaller that is 40 by 50 centimeters. August is International Cat Month. And so for International Cat Month, I chose Starry Cat. Let me just get my scissors and open this, and we're gonna take a look at it. We have the Feelook's box where it says, when tiny sparks become masterpieces. On the front, on the side, we have their social media, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, feelookart.com. On the back, we have steps for creation and the kit contents. And on the side here, we have every diamond you place is a small step towards something extraordinary. So we're gonna open this. And then we open it like this. And in it we have the canvas covered with a plastic sleeve. The canvas and the drills are there. We'll get to that in just a moment. Oh, nice, with the toolkit. We'll go over that in a moment. A Feelook Art place where you can put your signature, and on the back you can put a start and end date, and on the inside of it you have how to diamond paint. Luckily, I got a card with this one, the sticker book, which gives you the stickers, a sticker of the image, I just dropped that, oops, and the stickers with a silver. It looks like a silver. I don't know if they have like levels, but it looks like a silver, and it's adorable. Let's take a look at the toolkit real quick. We have their pen, which is very nice. You just turn this and the wax comes out there, and you can screw this top off and put wax down in there. Then we have baggies, and here's the wax that you can put in it to use when the red wax runs out. Tweezers, I like the nice pointy ones. I like the tweezers. More baggies, so 2 baggies of bags, and these 2 little trays. Oh, and I think this is how they usually came with stickers like this, versus these are new. These are the new stickers. This one has, so it's called Starry Cat. I'm pretty sure it's a Feelook in-house artist. It has 31 colors. I don't see any specials on this one either. My other one doesn't have specials. I didn't pick any with specials. And I didn't want to get another large one because I really do want to finish the ones that they send me. So thank you, Feelook, for sending me these. And so inside here we have the drills, which we'll look at closer in a moment. And let's look at the canvas. Well, what should we do? Should we look at the drills first? Yes, let's do that. They have great drills. Here's the drill pack, the color palette. These are not individually bagged. They are in the bags you have to cut, but I will tell you, there is zero static in their drills, at least for blush Orchid Glass. And then let's look at this together. Look at those big eyes on that kitty cat. I know, they're so adorable. Calvin, I love you too. All right, isn't it precious? Okay, I'm excited. I'll get started on this and let you know my thoughts. It's a round drill. I already know that they have great drills. And you can see the, it's easy to see the symbols. But I'll put some drills down on it and show you. Thank you, Feelook. This is adorable. I look forward to starting this one. It's even cuter in person than the picture. Feelook heart. All right, we'll lay drills and then we'll be in touch.